The Ghost of Constant Readiness. This is Brain Lion Institute episode 41. The body was not designed to be ready all the time. Readiness is a state, not a lifestyle. But many people live as if danger is constant. And the body listens. Readiness is not stress, it's preparation. Muscles slightly tense, heart rate slightly elevated, digestion slightly paused, attention turned outward. Nothing extreme, just never fully off. This is not panic, this is low grade defense. Activation is healthy. What exhausts the system is never standing down. When readiness doesn't resolve, the body starts budgeting energy differently. Not for growth, not for repair, but for availability. When the body stays on alert, digestion becomes secondary, tissue repair slows, immune tolerance drops, hormonal rhythms flatten. Energy is not lost, it's reserved, held back, just in case. This doesn't feel like illness, it feels like shallow rest, waking up already tired, low motivation without sadness, effort feeling heavier than it should, not burnout, preparedness fatigue. The system is waiting for a threat that never arrives. The nervous system doesn't ask if your life is safe, it asks if it's predictable. Constant noise, constant urgency, constant stimulation, all signal the same thing: stay ready. You can stop moving and still not stand down, because readiness is not muscular, it's informational. The body needs signals of resolution, not just absence of effort, not forcing calm, but restoring contrast. Clear work rest boundaries, predictable meals, daylight cues, slower transitions, fewer inputs, not better ones. Safety is not a thought, it's a pattern. The body rarely collapses first, it economizes. It holds energy back before it ever runs out. Fatigue is often the cost of being ready for too long, not because you are weak, but because the system is efficient. Rest is not collapse and readiness is not strength. Energy returns when the body knows it can finally stand down. Next episode, the nervous system sets the budget. Thank you.